laps in the Clone 340B. Clone 340B. Junior 1 Predators, you're going to be up next. I believe they're only taking the top 2, if I'm not mistaken. Here they roar out of 4, green in the air, and we're underway. We're getting to the halfway point with the 18 all by himself. Battle is for that last transfer. White flag will be coming out. We've got 1 to go. Heading them out. The 18 with the victory, 11 coming home in that number 2 spot. All right, this is our second B feature in the Clone 320 class. 6 will be the distance. 2 get to play, the other 2 are done for the night. They'll work on them and you'll be back for tomorrow night's action. B feature number 2, here they come, green out, and we're back underway. Caution waving out. We got one a little bit too close to the track out there. B feature for the 340 clone. He took a hard shot, ladies and gentlemen. I heard you give him a round of applause as he got ready to get loaded in. So at the line, we should be ready to go. 2 down, 4 to go. 2 down, 4 to go. Only 2 advance. One of them is going to be done for the night. Here we go. Campbell, your leader, as they fire him off. Wasn't no sense in burning any more on that one.